In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. We'll walk through the process from opening your calendar to sending a clear, professional invitation that your attendees can easily act on. First, open Outlook and switch to your calendar. You can do this by clicking the calendar icon, typically found along the left or bottom left side of the window. This view lets you see your schedule and avoid conflicts right from the start. Next, begin a new meeting. On the Home tab, look for the option labeled New Meeting. In some versions, you might see New Event instead. Both lead you to the same place where you can set up meeting details. Now add the key details. Start with attendees. In the To field, type the names or addresses of the people you want to invite. If you see options for required and optional, use required for people who must attend, and optional for those who are nice to have but not essential. This helps others understand expectations and plan accordingly. Outlook will often suggest people from your organization as you type, which can save time. Enter a clear, concise subject that tells everyone what the meeting is about. A good subject helps attendees recognize the meeting's purpose at a glance. In the body of the invite, add a short agenda, any files or links people should review, and context they'll need to come prepared. Keeping this brief and focused is best. Set the start and end times, and double-check the date. If you're coordinating across time zones, confirm your calendar's time zone settings so the invite shows correctly for everyone. If you're unsure about availability, open the Scheduling Assistant. This view shows when attendees are free or busy, so you can pick a time that works for the group and reduce back and forth. Choose your location. If everyone is meeting in person, type the physical room or address. If the meeting is online, click the Teams Meeting button. Outlook will add a secure meeting link and dial in details if your organization supports it. If you see Skype meeting in your setup, that works similarly, but Teams is more common today. When everything looks good, click Send. Your invite goes out immediately. Attendees receive it in their inbox and calendar, and they can respond with accept, tentative, or decline. You'll see responses update in the meeting details, so you know who's joining. That's all there is to it. You've created a meeting in Microsoft Outlook, added the right details, and sent a polished invitation. Thanks for watching.